my name is Xiloman. Today I'm with Black and Nobel, and tonight we're going to highlight some local Philly talent. This is Auston Moore.
Hey.
So, Auston, can you tell us a little bit about yourself growing up in Philadelphia, some things that inspire you?
Growing up in Philadelphia, this is a hard city. They say it's a city of brotherly love. There is no brotherly love here. So I did look for inspiration, and music was my inspiration. I heard a sound, guitar-wise, I was listening to some music, Guns N' Roses, and I heard Slash play. And I was like, damn, that's some pretty cool shit. So after Slash, led me to Jimi Hendrix. Blew my fucking top away. After I heard Hendrix, it was, you couldn't keep me away from the radio. So Hendrix was my inspiration.
How old were you when you first started listening to music?
I say I first heard Hendrix's sound when I was around 24 years old, 24, 25.
So is that around the time when you started playing guitar?
Yes.
And how old are you now, might I ask?
I'm 38 years old and I'm still playing 24 to 38. And I can't put this motherfucker down!
So besides guitar, you are also an accomplished tattoo artist.
Absolutely, yes.
An artist who has done a majority of my work here in Philadelphia.
Mm-hmm.
What got you into doing tattoos?
Poverty. I was tired of being broke, working a job for the man 9 to 5. You won't get rich. And that came into my head when I was about 20 years old. So my friend suggested I should try tattooing. I picked up a tattoo machine. Yeah, I wasn't natural at first. I was fucking tattoos up, this, that, and third. And every artist will tell you the same thing. When you first start out, you're gonna fuck some tats up. After a while, you stay persistent, you get good at it. And after a while, I became the shit at tattooing and led me to 3 TV shows doing tattoos and all that.
So, between playing guitar and doing tattoos, do you see any, how do the worlds collide? How do you make that happen?
I believe tattooing goes hand in hand with music because I can't tattoo without music. So they're like peanut butter and jelly. I need both of them to exist. I would never, ever, ever, you would never catch me doing a tattoo without some type of music. So either before the tattoo, I'm playing my guitar, or after the tattoo, I'll play my guitar. During the tattoo, I'm listening to some thorough ass headbanging music. You know, some conscious stuff, smoking some weed with my clients while listening to music and tattooing at the same time.
You used to have a shop. So what was that like? And where was it located in the city?
My shop is located at 5th and Island, or 5th and Table. It's called Popcorn's Tattoo Shop. If you were in Philadelphia and you've been getting tattoos here, everybody knows about Popcorns. Everybody got their first tattoo in Popcorns. I changed the name to Natural Mystics, but I originally started in Popcorns. And when I owned the shop, it was nothing better than being a shop owner. It's nothing better than owning your own shit. You know, so I'm looking for my next opportunity to get another shop open again. Pretty soon, look out for me. I'm coming with another shop soon, and it's gonna be in Philly, so look out for me.
So I hear that you used to have open mics there. Do you remember any of the talent that came through, and do you work with any of that talent today?
Yes, absolutely. Philadelphia is known for the arts, and there's a lot of talented artists. There's so many talented artists here. One in particular I'd like to mention, Ozone Legend. He's a tattoo artist as well. Crazy lyricist. King Reds is another one. Trell Mack, Sean Archer. All these dudes are in Philadelphia, and I tagged them as well. But they just happen to be extremely talented artists. It's too many of them to list. So don't get mad at me if I forgot to name you. But it's too many of y'all, and they're all hot. All the artists are crazy talented in Philadelphia.
So if we want to listen to your guitar stylings, where will we go? Are you doing any shows? Where can we find you?
Man, seriously, y'all can find me on the street. Every day in the morning time at 30th Street Station. That's at 30th and Market. The SEPTA area. So come check me out. I'm there most times. I'm there early in the morning. If I'm not there early in the morning, you can catch me in the afternoons from I want to say anywhere from 4 o'clock to about 8 p.m. Morning time, you can catch me at 7 a.m. to about 12, about lunchtime. I gotta get that lunch money, you know, so I try to hit them early in the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you. It's been a pleasure interviewing you and having you here. Thank you for coming down and representing Black and Nobel. Now I'm gonna ask, can you do a solo for us?
Absolutely. Yeah. I'm not gonna sing while I'm playing my guitar. Hey, Roy, where you gonna go to now, Roy? Hello, Roy. Hey. Ross, let me know when you're ready, bro. How's it look, Ross? Alright, so I'm ready when you're ready. Huh? Oh, okay. Black and Noble, I would like to say thank you for having me. Z, thank you. That was good. That was dope. How's that, Ross?
Oh, that was good. What do you think? Okay, go ahead. End it.
This is Xiloman live at Black and Nobel, and we're signing out with Auston Moore. Thank you for watching.